Welcome to Premath. In this video tutorial, we have got this green rectangle inside this right triangle ABC, as you can see in this figure, such that the side length AB is 21 units, side length BC is 28 units, and side length DE is 16. And now we are going to calculate the area of this green rectangle. So let's go ahead and get started with the solution. And here's our very first step. Inside this green rectangle, since this side length DE is equal to this side length BF, if this side length is 16, this has got to be 16 as well. And since this side length BC is 28 and this side length BF is 16, so therefore this side length FC is going to be 28 minus 16 is going to be 12 units. So therefore this side length FC turns out to be 12 units. And here's our next step. Let's suppose that this side length BD is X units, and we know that this side length AB is 21. So therefore this side length AD is going to be simply 21 minus X. So therefore this side length AD turns out to be 21 minus X. And here's our next step. Let's focus on these two triangles, triangle ADE and this triangle EFC. And now we can see that both of these triangles are right triangles, since this angle is 90 degrees and this angle is 90 degrees as well. And moreover, this angle is equal to this angle, as they are corresponding angles, and moreover this angle is equal to this angle because they are also corresponding angles. So therefore we conclude that these triangles ADE and that other triangle EFC are similar triangles according to angle theorem. So therefore we can equate these ratios. I can equate this one 16 divided by 12. Let me go ahead and write down 16 divided by 12 equals to this 21 minus x, 21 minus x divided by this x. And now on the left hand side, 16 over 12 could be reduced to 4 over 3 equals to 21 minus x divided by x. Let's go ahead and cross multiply to remove these fractions, so we can write this one as 4x equal to 3 times 21 is 63 minus 3x. Now let's move this negative 3x on the left hand side, so this could be written as 4x, and that becomes plus 3x equal to 63. So that means 7x equal to 63. That means x value simply turns out to be 9. So thus our x value turns out to be 9, and which is our BD length. So thus the side lengths of this green rectangle turn out to be BD is 9 and DE is 16. And here's our final step. Let's go ahead and calculate the area of this green rectangle. And here's the area of a rectangle formula. Area equals to length times width. Let's go ahead and fill in the blanks. So the area of this green rectangle is going to be, our length is 16 and time width is 9. So the area turns out to be simply 144 square units. So thus the area of this green rectangle turns out to be 144 square units, and that's our final answer. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.